quick introduction. Myself, Nishita. I'm working as a Python developer, and I have 2+ years of experience in Python. So let's get started. Today, I'll explain the Python basics. Okay. Today's agenda is why we should learn Python. What is a print statement in Python, and then at the end, we'll go through the summary. Okay, and then I've already introduced myself. So let's skip this one. And then what is the area focuses on the Python? So mainly we have to focus on the syntaxes. Every language has a different types of syntaxes. We should focus on that, and then we need to follow the coding standards as well. Okay, so I'll show you in the practical demo. Okay, don't worry. So we'll move to the next step. So and then at the end I will repeat again. So please, after watching the video, whatever I have explained, please practice in the PyCharm. So let's go to the practical demo. Okay, practical demo now. Okay, so we'll create one file here. Okay, we create here. So new Python file, we'll name it as some sample.py. Okay, some sample. And then so I'll show you the how we'll make the mistakes, how we'll make the syntax error. So we need to be careful about that syntaxes. So I'll show you now. So I'm writing the print statement here in Python. Okay, print off something. I want to print the some YouTube or something name. Okay, YouTube, and then print of YouTube. Okay, so this is called string. It is in the double quotes. It will print the YouTube. There are many people who will do this as a mistake. If we have number of time, if we are doing some project, right, we'll miss this one, this bracket. So we'll get some syntax errors. If you run this one, run as a sample, so we'll get errors. Okay, we'll see in the terminal as well. Okay, I'll open this one, show you. Okay, see here. We got syntax error, right? So these are the main, someone will miss the double quotes as well and then simply close this one. This is the main mistake they will do it. Okay. The correct syntax is we should write everything in the double quotes, right? So if you want to print the number, right? So we should do like this. If you want to add some numbers, 2 plus 2, like this it will print 4 and then YouTube. Let's see the output. Okay, see YouTube and 4, right? If you want to print only the number 2, let's see what will happen. Okay, so yeah, so we got 2, right? Whatever we are writing inside that one without any syntax errors will get the output. Now we'll write the code to get sum of numbers and subtraction of the numbers and multiplication of the numbers. Okay, so print of okay, I'll forget it. So sorry. Yeah, there is a syntax errors as well. There is a function called def in the Python. So we'll write some def name. Okay. After this, after this, we need to have some four spaces here in the Python. One, two, three, four. We should follow this one, or else we can provide simply tab like this. That will defaultly take the four spaces. Okay, and then def is a keyword to write some functions. We have the classes, everything we'll get to know when we go further. Okay, don't worry, this is a basic session. Okay, and then I have covered indentation, print statement. Now we'll do some print of 2 plus 2. This is addition we'll do, and the print of 2 star 2 star indicates here the multiplication in the Python. Okay, remember please. Yeah, and then we'll go to print off 2 divided by 2. This is a division. Okay, and in subtraction as usual we know minus will give or hyphen. Okay, 2 minus 2. Let's see the output. Okay, yeah, I will execute this one. Yeah, we got the output right. Print of loop plus 2 4, 2 plus 2, 2 into 2 4, and then 2 by 2 1.0. Basically, when we give the division right, it will give in the float format. We have some data types in Python. Okay. So I will cover these all data types in the next session. So thank you for watching. Please practice these all things. Please keep in mind whenever you're writing any language, we need to follow some standards and syntaxes. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe Python Hub channel. So bye.